Let us make this interaction more interactive. Please put your thoughts in comment and tell me what you are liking about it, what you are not liking about it. I mean, last two videos were predominantly focused on the software professionals. But as promised, let me now tell how AI is changing the landscape for accounting and financial professionals, especially in the current year 2026. I'm not going to the future. So, मान लीजिए, सोचिए, imagine an accountant finishes his or her entire financial report in 10 minutes. An organization's financial report in 10 minutes. A finance analyst creates a full dashboard without using a single Excel formula. हाँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या? Is it possible? And an auditor identifies the fraud risk instantly using AI. Excited? Now, do you think I'm talking about a science fiction? In the future, 50 years later, this is going to happen. No, sorry, dear. I'm talking about today. So, it is not future, it is already happening. So, the real question is, are you ready for it? क्या आप तैयार हो? Now, who are you or for whom this video is? So, if you are an accounting or finance professional already working, or you are a BCom or BBA or MBA finance student aspiring for a job, then please watch this video till the end. Otherwise, you are going to miss out something very, very important. Now let's start working or dig little deep into it. What we are going to talk here. I will explain why AI is critical for finance professional. How is it transforming the accounting roles? And the most important AI tools you must learn, and for the students and even for the professionals, uh, the career opportunities in 2026 and beyond. So let's first start with the first one. Why AI is critical in accounting and finance. Traditionally, accounting or finance involved manual data entry, repetitive Excel work, and time-consuming reporting. I will give a very my personal experience. Last year, for my organization, Blessed IT Solution, to do the account reconciliation, annual account reconciliation means based on the books of account which my external accounting team or accounting organization, they were managing it on Tally, the GST portal data and the income tax portal data. You won't believe, of course, they are shared resources. They are not dedicatedly working for my organization, but still, it took 2 days time. And yes, it has hell lot of manual work. Now, today, AI or using AI, you can automate most of those things, which means what you are going to get is routine work is reduced, strategic thinking is increased. So, as a senior person or even as a business owner, instead of doing the repetitive work or even your team doing repetitive work, spending hours on it, you can spend or your team can spend the same time for more of strategic thinking, or you can get more business, more work without increasing the headcount of your organization. So, now finance professionals are expected to analyze data, give insight, and support decision making. Agreed? These things. So, the next point is again important, right? How AI is helping finance professionals. Number one, It helps automate data processing through invoice processing, expense categorization, bank reconciliation, all these areas. So this helps accounting professional to save hours of manual work. Secondly, smart reporting and dashboards, automatically generated AI reports, converting raw data into insights. For example, assuming you have the data in Excel sheet and just upload the Excel file and you will automatically get a summary and charts. Interesting. Third, financial forecasting, which is a big pain area for any CFO or virtual CFO or those type of work. Now, using AI, you can predict revenue, identify trends, and even perform scenario analysis in minutes. Wow. Fourth one, all accounting and finance professionals deal with Excel. And even today, to make their life easier, you need to be good at Excel formula. You'll have to remember Excel formula, processes, this, that, and all these things. But those days are gone. You don't have to remember a single Excel formula because if you are using AI will generate formulas, dashboard, and automate repetitive tasks by itself. So all you need to know or learn is the basic AI part. Okay. Fifth, the most crucial, AI helps in fraud detection. So what happens the fraud analyst is a big work these days, especially all the banks, all the financial institutions they have. So AI helps with fraud detection and risk analysis by identifying unusual transactions and helping auditors to detect anomalies immediately. So many of you, I'm not sure. I have experienced multiple times whenever I do an unusual transaction using my debit card, credit card, and all these things. Almost instantly, I get a call from my bank, automated call, where it asks whether this is a transaction, whether I have executed or done it or not. If not, if yes, then press 1. If not, or say yes. If not, then say no or press 2, something like that. So that is being done through AI. By now, after listening all these things, you are pretty excited as finance professional or accounting professional or even as a student that okay, fantastic, AI will make my life or AI can make my life easy. But I'm sure again there is a big question in your head. बाबा मेरा लाइफ तो इजी होगा लेकिन उसके लिए क्या क्या सीखना पड़ेगा what all tools do I need to learn or what all tools are available in the market which will help me to get all these things done in minutes. Okay, so let me jump into the tools part. First and foremost and the easiest tool is our good friend Mr. or Miss, I don't know, ChatGPT. That it helps you with the financial analysis, report writing, Excel formulas, creation of both static and dynamic dashboards, all these things, ChatGPT can help you to do that. Second, Microsoft Copilot. If you are working for an organization and they have the Copilot license, not to worry. You don't have to bother about or ask the organization to give you the ChatGPT license. Use Copilot for that. It can do the same thing. The third one, QuickBooks AI. It helps with expense tracking, financial reporting, and even small business automation. Zoho Books AI or Tally AI automates accounting, GST handling, and smart categorization. VIC AI. It can even do data reconciliation between the books of account, might be in Tally or anywhere, GST data, income tax portal data, all these in minutes. Now, next part is the career opportunity, but I want to add a few things at this point of time before getting into the career opportunity, which is the responsible use of AI. Since as an accountant or finance professional, you are dealing with confidential finance data, please do not upload those data in the regular ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, or any of these tools. What you need to have is, or ask your organization, or if you are the business owner, then for yourself, identify or create your own LLM, or from ChatGPT, from Copilot. You can take an enterprise or organizational license where your data will be secured and will be available only for you. Otherwise, what is going to happen is, imagine you would upload all these data, GST data, income tax data, and the tally data and everything in the in ChatGPT or anywhere, and it becomes public. Anybody, not directly but indirectly, anybody can have access. So be careful about the confidentiality part. So that's what I thought of before talking about the career opportunity. Take you or spend a few minutes on the responsible use of AI. Okay, now let's talk about the career opportunity. Now, if you are a BCom student, BBA or MBA finance student, or even if you are a professional, still not using AI, in that case, here are the career opportunities that you have. Number one, AI-enabled accountant. Number two, financial data analyst. Uh, for that, you must be skilled with the AI tools. AI finance consultant. Risk and compliance analyst, again AI supported. Business analyst, business analyst, again AI enabled. AI driven forecast and planning and auditing or audit analysis. So before I end, let me tell you, as I said earlier, AI will not replace any human. So in your case, AI will not replace human accountant. But what it is going to do is, we are AI enabled, AI skilled accountant will replace an accountant who doesn't have AI knowledge or AI skill. So net, we always still require manual human accountants. But remember that if you are not skilled in AI, then you are going to lose your job, or you are not going to get the job. If you are serious about your career in accounting or finance, start learning AI today, because the future of finance is not just numbers, but it is intelligence plus automation plus insight. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'm sure you are loving it. So please subscribe my channel. Uh, also, let us make this interaction more interactive. See, in YouTube video, I am talking as a one-way traffic. But please put your thoughts in comment, add it in your comment, and tell me what you are liking about it, what you are not liking about it. Before we get into the next video, perhaps I am thinking of running a survey to identify also your interest area, and then we will proceed accordingly. Till then, once again, take care, happy AIing, keep on learning the relevant AI tools, and bye bye. Thank you.